Colin from Sills Argo in Trenton. Here we are with a 2022 Argo Aurora 950 SXR model, and we are installing the fire extinguisher and bracket right on the ROP bar behind the driver's seat, driver and passenger seat. So you'll see the ROP bar has this crossbar that connects the two sides, and we mount the bracket right to the ROP bar with a couple gear clamps. That seems to hold it in place. It's easily accessible if needed, and it seems to be the best spot out of the way, not to interfere with passengers' leg room or cargo or anything like that.